Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can simply open your YouTube channel. So let's get started. First of all, you need to go to your browser and search YouTube. After go to this channel, you can see this. I already logged in my account. You just simply create a channel. Now you can see this name. You can simply change this name or you can stay with this. So I stay with this. So I just create a channel. Just show me your channel is being created. Check back in a few minutes. So now I'm going to YouTube Studio. Now you can see welcome to YouTube Studio. So I select continue. If you want to convert your channel to brand channel, you are going to switch account and view all channel. In this view all channel, you can create. You need to create it. You need to create a channel. Now I am going to give channel name. You can keep it same or you can change this name. Give your channel name. Now you just simply click on switch account and select first one. Now go to setting, the advanced setting. Now you can see this option, move channel to a brand account. Now you need to give your password. Now you can replace this. Please do not afraid. You do not delete this channel. You convert this channel and you put into one channel into another. So I understand and wish to proceed and delete channel. Move channel. You just simply click move channel. Now you can see there we need 10 minutes. Now if I click switch account, now you can see 2 channel, no channel and no subscriber. We're going to work on this channel. We're going to upload video on this channel, not this channel. And also please do not delete this channel. Now we're going to select this channel. Now click on YouTube Studio. Now click on continue. And go to setting. Now go to permission. And now you can see manage permission. If you see this option, it means our channel is going to be a brand channel. First we simply create a YouTube channel and then we move this simple channel into a brand channel. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel.